Nail, BWAYO. Nail, BWAYO. What does this phrase mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is BWAYO. Because today, we're going to study about the word BWAYO. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 268. BWAYO. BWAYO. This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is BWA and the second syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. BWAYO. BWAYO. The word BWAYO means see, or the present tense action of seeing. BWAYO came from the root verb boda, and it is transformed into its present tense form and it became BWAYO. How do you write BWAYO in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable, BWA. First, we need to draw a B character followed by the O character followed by an A character. And if you notice, the wa sound is formed from the combination of the O and A sound. So that's BWA. And I hear a lot of Koreans pronounce this as ba instead of BWA. Anyway, for the next syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder ing followed by the yo character itself. And then, when we combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables, we can now write the Hangul of the word BWAYO. Now let's try to look at this example English sentence. It says, see you tomorrow. Again, see you tomorrow. The Korean translation of this sentence is 내일 봐요. Again, 내일 봐요. Or as some Korean says, 내일 봐요. This sentence could be divided into two parts. The first part is 내일, which means tomorrow. The second part is 봐요 or 봐요, which means see, or the present tense action of seeing. So when we combine this, 내일 봐요 means see you tomorrow, or to see each other tomorrow. And if we will look back at this example English sentence or phrase that is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that 내일 봐요 means see you tomorrow. And with that, you've just learned BWAYO. Now, let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 258 to 267. But don't forget our word for today, word number 268, BWAYO, which means see. Word number 267 is 먹어요, which means eat. Word number 266 is 가요, which means go. Word number 265 is 여 동생, which means younger sister. Word number 264 is 남동생, which means younger brother. Word number 263 is 맛없어요, which means not tasty or not delicious. Word number 262 is 맛있습니다, which means delicious in a formal manner. Word number 261 is 먹었어요, which means eat. Word number 260 is 갔어요, which means went. Word number 259 is 날씨, which means weather. And the last word for our review is word number 258, 좋네요, which means good in a surprise manner. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. 나는 영화를 봤어요. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 봤어요. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to discuss about the word 봤어요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 191. 봤어요. 봤어요. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is pas, second syllable is 어, third syllable is 요. Pronounce it with me. 봤어요. 봤어요. The word 봤어요 means saw, or the past tense of the verb see. The Korean of the present tense of the verb see is BWAYO. And therefore, the past tense form of BWAYO is BWASSEOYO. Now, how do we write BWASSEOYO in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the three syllables. To be able to write the syllable BWAS, we need to draw first a BWAYO character, followed by an O character, followed by an A character, followed by a double or sangsiyat character. Take note that the wa sound is actually formed by combining the o and a sound. For the second syllable o, we need to draw first a no sound iyang, followed by the o character. For the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound iyang, followed by the yo character. And then we just have to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word 봤어요. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, I watched a movie. Again, I watched a movie. The Korean translation of this English sentence is 나는 영화를 봤어요. Again, 나는 영화를 봤어요. The first part of the sentence is 나는. The word na means I, and 는 is just a topic particle added to na. So, the whole na는 part only means I. If the ending sound of the word is a vowel, we will use 는. But if the ending sound of the word is a consonant, we will use un as the topic particle. And for the case wherein na is the word, since it has a vowel ending, we'll be adding 는. And that is how the nanon part is formed. The second part of the sentence is 영화를. 영화 means movie, and 를 is just an object particle. So the whole 영화를 part only means movie. So if the ending sound of the object is a vowel, we'll be adding 를. But if the ending sound of the object is a consonant, we'll be adding And for the case of 영화, since it has a vowel ending, we'll be adding 를. And that is how the 영화를 part is formed. The third part of the sentence is 봤어요. We already said that this is the past tense form of the verb to see. But since the action of seeing and watching is the same in Korea, we'll also use 봤어요 to say watched. So this is the past tense form of the verb to watch. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 181 to 190. But don't forget our word for today, word number 191, BWASSEOYO, which means saw. Word number 190 is 목소리, which means voice. Word number 189 is 봄, which means spring season. Word number 188 is 태풍, which is the Korean noun for typhoon. Word number 187 is 왔어요, which means came. Word number 186 is 피곤해, which means tired. Word number 185 is 저거, which means that. Word number 184 is 이거, which means this. Word number 183 is 영어, and this pertains to the English language. Word number 182 is 한국어, and this pertains to the Korean language. And the last for our review is word number 181, 여러분, which means everyone. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.